Happy Sunday, 30 July 2023. This is my health and wellness check-in for this past week running Monday, 24 July 2023 to today, Sunday, 30 July 2023. This is social, mental, and physical health. It's not exactly dental health, but I also scheduled a 6-month teeth cleaning. But it is still dental. For the other three, social, mental, and physical, my summary is it was a more social week with slight mental drain, though I was still productive and even physically. So, yeah. Okay, so that was introduction week summary. Up first. Social. I fed all of the critters all their meals this week. Other social outings with social interactions included Richmond Beach Library, a public library on Tuesday, 25 July. Uptown Espresso, a coffee shop on Wednesday, 26 July. Twin Ponds Park, a public park on Wednesday, 26 July. Edmonds Bakery, a bakery on Wednesday, 26 July. Shoreline Park, a public park on Thursday, 27 July. The town of Woodway, which is a town, Thursday, 27 July in Richmond Beach. It's a neighborhood in the city of Shoreline, Thursday, 27 July. So like I went for a longer walk and had interacted with a number of people while I was out on the walk and animals and stuff. And then PCC Community Markets, a grocery store on Saturday, 29 July, and Red Brick Road Park, a public park on Saturday, 29 July. So that was social. So social during the summer. This summer I've been pushing myself to get out of the house more. So it's been a more social weekly kind of thing. And on the whole, than last summer. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, mental health. Slightly draining and productive. So, slightly draining. It was productive. It wasn't overly productive. Okay. Up first, writing and photography on Yelp. It reached 56 written and published reviews for July 2023. It is my stopping number for the month. Increased my number of reviews for my all-time number 5 month on Yelp in terms of number of reviews written and published at the same time for like any 1 month. At the time for in 1 month. Yeah. And so in stopping number means I could write more reviews today and or tomorrow, but I'm not going to, so I'm stopping. And then so that was Yelp. Up next, writing for Lucky Wallaby Courier, LWC. I wrote on my computer and continued filling in my running history and exploring food places, including, reading notes and video. So I did a week of reading and a video for that. Writing on my computer was mostly pool swimming, and then I did the exploring food places and other running history, and I guess my moving history kind of stuff, which I'm putting with Lucky Wallaby Courier, and that was also, I covered Sarah Sjostrom. As for exploring food places, yes, it would be fun to eat fish and chips with eat fish and chips with tartar sauce and Tatarstan with Andre. It'd be more fun if we were living together. It would be fun to eat homemade per their grandmother's recipe, mother's recipe, apple fritters with my Leo and my Maxime and my Florent. Not Florian, my Florent. I have a Florian and a Florent, supposedly. Soulmates. I want those apple fritters when I'm awake and we're living together. The morning after. So we do Sweet Sweet Loving, and the morning after they prepare me homemade, home recipe apple fritters. I'm okay with that. That would be fun. Just the apple fritters on video. That'd be really cool, actually. And especially like if my Leon wants to take me to like the French countryside for 28 days for our first time. It'd be fun to do like videos and have us film and then Nicolo post them. The magic of being able to film in one location and have somebody else upload it in a different location, but it's still this YouTube channel. That'd be very cool. Or eating pierogi in Russia, in Kazan. Wait, no, that's still Tatarstan. What's another place? St. Petersburg. Eating pierogi in St. Petersburg with Anton Chepkov. All right. Okay, next category. YouTube. Today marked 312 consecutive days of me filming and publishing videos the same day on this YouTube channel. And even there's that, and then I'm also in them, so you guys can see me. If you've watched these videos each day, you've seen me for 312 days straight. Theme day of the week videos continued. This video marked once published 116 consecutive days of my theme day of the week videos. I mused over a lofty potential long-term solution to the ongoing view counts problem. Yeah, if I really do have a bunch of soulmates and they are wealthy, maybe we could buy YouTube and get it figured out. And make sure either it affects everybody at some time over the course of their duration of their career, or there's restorative justice for those who get hit by whatever it is. And since I have no idea whatever it is, maybe owning YouTube can help figure it out. And if we did own YouTube, or my soulmates aren't own YouTube, it'd be cool to implement a warning system with community guidelines, like to give people a chance to take a video down themselves without it counting as a community guideline strike, or give them a chance to change it, or however they can, or that kind of thing, or address it, or explain themselves. Pre-community guidelines strike, right? It's like a warning system. That would be, yeah. It would also be cool on Yelp if we could buy Yelp and figure out if there's a way to actually let people who write reviews get paid. I think that would be very cool. I do have some dreams like that in my YouTubing and my Yelping. Yeah. Not the same on every platform, but yeah. Okay. So when I say a lofty potential solution, that's lofty. It's figuring out what it was and making sure it doesn't happen. Just buying YouTube. I think it's currently owned by Google, so far as I know. Okay. And then also on YouTube, I added a number of new / returning featured channels. I don't know if I added good mythical. I added a number of featured channels. There we go. It was too specific. How are we doing? We're doing good. That's nice. Okay, up next is reading. So The Cat Who Talked to Ghosts by Lilian Jackson Braun, September 1990, Jove edition, paperback. Monday, 24 July 2023, read pages 1 through 11, so I started the book. Tuesday, 25 July 2023, read pages 12 through 28. Wednesday, 28 July 2023, read pages 29 through 51. Thursday, 27 July 2023, read pages 52 through 105. Friday, 28 July 2023, read pages 106 through 178. Saturday, 29 July 2023, read pages 179 through 209. Sunday, 30 July 2023, read pages 210 through 218. Finished the book. I did a notes video here on YouTube, reading notes, kind of Lucky Wallaby Courier reading notes. I'll link to my health and wellness check-ins playlist, as well as my Lucky Wallaby Courier playlist, which is the notes for the notes video is in that playlist. It's in my movie and book lists playlist as well, but I'll link to the Lucky Wallaby Courier one in the video description. So that was mental. When I say slightly draining, it was a bunch of stuff. And like reading especially can like affect the cadence and balance of everything. But there was a lot of kind of stuff with pool swimming and stuff too, and making sure I got Sarah Sjostrom covered and that kind of stuff. Okay, so not in a bad way mentally draining, because I was still productive and stuff, but just like there was a lot in my brain. My little brain was like, oh my gosh, so much. Okay, physical. So that's diet and food and exercise. I made all my workouts Monday to Sunday, so I've finished all my exercise for the day. So that's cool. 7 days. I started menstruating approximately on time, so it was a 30-day cycle instead of my regular 21-day cycle, but it's much improved over previously. It was like 27 days 2 months ago and like 29 days, or the opposite. So I'm getting back to my normal, so yeah. It also means I'm not pregnant. Addressing the Sun Yang and I, the Chinese swimmer, and then Alexander Popov, the Russian swimmer born in approximately 1971, and I, addressing I had a baby with each of them separately on 29 July 2023, which was yesterday. Is that even possible? So first off, they'd have to be my soulmates, this body's dreams, right? Only procreating, I don't know, reproducing with my soulmates. So they have to be my soulmates, one, and I would have to be their soulmate. And it says 1, 2. The only way that I can think of that being possible is, a lot of people say fiction is based on reality. So the Chronicles of Narnia, this is the way I could come up with this being possible, is if I have interactions in sleepwalking mode, I don't actually always know that I'm having them. So like if the Chronicles of Narnia wardrobe existed, so to speak, or the picture from, what was it, Prince Caspian or whatever that book was, and then there's the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Point being, if a place like Narnia actually existed, and me and my soulmates went into Narnia, made sweet, sweet love, baby making love, got pregnant, birthed the child, and brought the child back out of Narnia time, NT, not Narnia time or whatever, into regular world, and the baby exists somewhere and I don't know, because they made sweet, sweet love and procreated, recreated, whatever, when I was in sleepwalking mode, I wouldn't know, right? So in theory, if fiction is based on fact, then in theory that is possible. Or in actuality, that might be possible, but I don't know. So I do not know. Okay, and then I used the Tanis Diet with PMS modifications to help with my weight regulation. Up last, dental, scheduled a 6-month teeth cleaning for Friday, 8 September 2023. So that was good. Yes. I think I get vision through my health insurance too. And I think I forgot about that. But I have to go to like Seattle. Closer to downtown. This is a little bit, but that's something that just popped in my head. Okay. In conclusion, it was a good week. My little brain was like a lot. So, but good week. I hope it was a good week for you. Upcoming week's good for you whenever you're watching this, viewing this.